Good morning guys! Uy, mauna. Traffic kay Cebu. Morning. Morning na. Morning na diha mga gitulgon pa mga bata. Kaya daghan na kayo kuan. Ang mga bata is there. Naras mga balay ron ng mga kabataan. Parang isa diha. Isang kamot. So, mauna guys. Summer. Init ang panahon. Ay magkaskasog tubig, diba? Pero uhaw man kayo bakit uhaw? Diba? Pero hi guys, good morning. And today we'll be talking about mga issues ron, diba? Different issues. We'll just talk about ano ba? Atong lifestyle karon, diba? Kumusta na ang life diri in 2024? Today we just gonna go around Cebu and show you this Fuente Osmeña circle, by the way. And we will talk about dealing with the current situation ba na medyo medyo volatile ang situation, di ba? I don't know, there are a lot of conflicts around the world, like in Ukraine, in Israel, and even in the country ba na ay issues. Issues on, let's say kanabang naging mga hagunghong kunuhay ba na about mga officials that are calling for like the military to withdraw their support kang Marcos. It's not good. It's not a good precedent ba? Mga ninkuan ba? Mga ninkuan about in the end mo balik gihapon ta sa elections. Elections na next year. So kung ganahan mo na kamoy mo lingkod, dapat mo daog mo. Kung ano yung ponto, ba? Na sometimes kana yung mga planong nindot kaayo, ipaminaw mo sa mga politiko always, nindot yun kayo na. Pero in the end, kailan naman nakasaad sa mga politiko ang matuman ba? Mga na, kung muingon ko ninyo, ingani na niron katong not so contented people from the previous administration. Wala ko yun mao. It was your fault. It's your fault. You're the one in the administration. You're in the administration, and because inyong greed or inyong paniguro, di ba? Isakay mo immunity. Kay mao lagi. Ako nagplano mong 2028, but 2022 pa man to, many things can happen. So parang kung ingon niyo akan kay mahitabo kaning mga nahitabo, it's not too abnormal yun, it's just normal na ingana yun na. Kung di na ka mo maglingkod, your power will be diminished. So now you're complaining. Ano man, you want the president to be under ninyo or under sa inyong clause, hindi na mahimo, di ba? Ano yung problema ng mga agreements mo na handshakes, gentleman agreement like what allegedly happened with President Duterte with China. Dili na ka naman ingana ba? Those are the things that are like meant to be broken, diba? So anang ingkuanan ni mo na don't destabilize the country. Don't be, if ever mo tag natay coup, and then let's say the military will sort of like withdraw their backing sa president, it will be, or magkasanglan mo i-sacrifice ang country because of your ambitions, diba? It will be devastating to our country. Because it will create more factions, more power vacuum, and probably, diba, gira-gira na lang ta, mag-unay ta. So mo na ang punto na supposedly we're in a democracy. Bitaw nang inyong gitry og dominate ang election, mana sa ni bati gud anak ka naman. Why are we in the era of super teams? Nung himo mong super team sa election na unoy tanan are part of that team. Na mas maayo man gud na lain-laing ideas da. Ang kuan man gud unta sa democracy is na representation tanang voices. Kabos, dato. Dapat even the opposition has a voice. Problema na maghimo mo why opposition, why kuan, you railroad these things. Murag naanad mo ingana na kuan, you're used to getting your way. Now you're not getting your way. You complain and you're gonna call for, let's say, break this country up. And kamuro itong mga tawhana calling for unity sa una. That's a kuan. That's not a good action, diba? So kung ngayon lang ko ba, na ba unity, ang mas maayo na dili sa election ta mag-unite. After elections on that team unity, the real team unity should be after the elections. Because before the elections you talk and now you're trying to divide the spoils, di na mo ma-united. Kasi may luoy, kintay mag-inganit you're gonna call for disunity. So may luoy, Pilipinas. Diba? Kung may kudit tata, you're just gonna set back the Philippines like another 10 years. Nasad, we're back na reset na sa ta. The economy will crash, the stock exchange, the value, the foreign investments will withdraw. Nga na mo na. If you have factions talking like that, wala na inyong bravado. You had your time. You had your time and then yun inyo rang gi-waste, diba? Maura na akong kuha na, you had your time and then now you're trying to sabotage the next. Why sabotage the next? Kuanta. We have to help each other na noon. So parang yun akong the talks of kanibang grumblings. And the funny thing lang yun, the ones grumblings were from the previous administration. Diba? And to think you run at this one with the same ticket with our current president. So maraming mo na tang defender sa kuan ni Marcos mo yun tayo. Of course we have to defend, we have to make sure na it's not diling ana ang atong pag-change of president. We have elections, diba? Not saying marawag year basig mo ingon mo na pro Marcos ko ron sa no, pro Philippines ko na nidaog naman man PBBM. Then you just want to remove him like it's so easy and you'll say na withdraw lang mo support military na pwede. Let's kumingon mo kuan na kumingon mo dili kuno illegal yung gibuhat na kanang ingana na sinultian, fine, pero kumingon gyapon ko na those kind of talks are not good or not good for our country, di ba? We live in a very competitive world. We have threats even at our borders, like sa China threat. Di ba? dapat ito naunao na ninyo. And then inyong strategy is to cozy up with the enemy or unsa na kung pasip-sip ta dito na ninyo, pero mao na ang puwento na ko. Go, kailangan ka mo naglingkod so that ka mo makadiktas foreign policy, pero don't try to sabotage the current government, di ba? Naaman tayo naglingkod na inidaog, they were duly elected, di ba? And you were one of the kanang kamo na, you were one of those who were shouting Viva, supporting BBM before the election. So as much as possible, let him craft his own policies, the direction of our country. So ang punto na if you really wanna be in control, kung kita mga Bisaya o unsa ta, taga Mindanao, ganahan mo to be in control, mo daog mo bitato to na it was a miracle already na nidaog si President Duterte na in a way na naabot sa Mindanao, na adto sa mga Bisaya ang power. Then you just relinquish it dayon, or then if you wanna get it back, you have to get it back through elections. Wala, and they will also pull all their stops. Ang atong your opposition, ang imong kontra, imong rival, will also pull all their stops so that you won't get it back. Mao na naron. Kamo rin naghatag it freely. Di ba? Ito so cheap na paghatag. Then mo reklamo mo ron. Tayo mo anak. Di ba? There's an election for that. Don't try to disturb the country. Di ba? Hopefully we will, there's an elections coming. We have to remember unsa na ka-importante ang boto nato. Diba? Don't take it for granted. Ayaw lang magpadalang dayon sa kuan ba, musakay ra kas bandwagon. Then wakabaw sa implication, wakabaw na kana ding, it just murag ang ilang union fake ra di ay nga Manang basahag taro, manang pick your candidates, pick the best despite unsa ilang partido. Ay pagkuan-kuan diag, mingon mo mahay-mahay mo. Mauna, mahay mo because mo niyo pili ag tarong. Ang katawanan pag diri ang nagmahay katong mga ni daog noon, daog na gay mo, kamo mo ni nagmahay, ano man ay ngano, were you expecting benefits? Di ba? Ang ginagmahay ang mga nibotos, mga napildi. Ang ginagmahay ang mga supporter ni Manny Pacquiao, nilang Lenny, nilang Isko. Ang ginagmahay, ang nagmahay na nun kamo, di eh. Pero katawan na sitwasyon. Kamo nila nagmahay katong pag-election. Sige pa maan ba, in a way. Sige pa panaway sa mga tao na katong lain og opinion, di ba? There are people who are like that, who are trash talking, who are fighting with their friends. Now you say you regret it. Ano point because you're supporting people that you don't know. Think carefully when you vote. Know your candidate. Kung kaila, di ba? Buto-buto lang ka kay mga popular. Kaya din makig-away pa sa mga tao. Kay tungod lang imong boto. Hindi, ang boto din na. Ang imong boto sagrado na. Di na ako ikuan na. Actually, I don't even want to influence your votes. Pero mara na ako ingon na think carefully na maubog yun na imong botohon. In the end, mga implications di ba? Hopefully dili natin makuha na. Hopefully nobody would heed those calls na kanabang iguba atong country, di ba? Hopefully kuan lang yun na. Ay elections coming, so may pamalagan mo. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.